In forest green, where the tall trees sway, animals of all kinds come out to play. Albert's wisdom guides them through the night. Squirrels chatter, filling the air with delight. Oh, in the heart of the forest, where the spirits soar, together they're strong forevermore. Through storms and shadows they find their way. In the heart of the forest, where they'll always stay. Rabbits hop in meadows, deer graze with ease. Raccoons dance under the moon, playful as can be. Birds sing melodies, butterflies take flight. In this wondrous kingdom, day turns to night. Oh, in the heart of the forest, where the spirits soar, together they're strong.